Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents, and we let you take it from there. June 18th, Supreme Court opinion, Perttu v. Richards. All right, we have quite a number of full-fledged Supreme Court cases coming up, so let's get into this one. Kyle Richards is a prisoner who is suing a prison employee, Thomas Perttu, claiming Perttu sexually harassed him and other inmates. Richards also claimed Perttu destroyed official complaints and threatened to stop Richards from filing more. This all resulted in Richards filing a lawsuit claiming infringement on his First and Eighth Amendment rights, first being the right to free speech, and eighth, protection from cruel treatment. However, there is a wrinkle in Richards' situation. There is a law called the Prison Litigation Reform Act, PLRA, Plura, and Plura says that prisoners must try to resolve their issues through the prison's internal complaint system before they can sue in the court. This is called exhaustive administrative remedies. So now what's happening is Richards is saying he was not able to abide by rules set forth in the Prison Litigation Reform Act because Perttu was effectively blocking him from accessing the system by destroying complaints, etc. He took his case to the federal district court in hopes of getting them to rule and say, yes, you are being denied access to the internal system. However, the case was decided only by one judge in the district court who dismissed the case, but without prejudice, saying basically he could file again when he could. And this is what spawned the question the Supreme Court is answering in this decision. Richards came back and said that the singular judge that ruled in the district court should not have been the one to decide. There should have been a jury there to hear the case and decide for the case. So the technical question the Supreme Court is trying to answer here is when there's a disagreement about whether a prisoner properly tried to use the prison's complaint system, and that disagreement involved facts that are also part of the main lawsuit, like Perttu destroying grievances and complaints that would have made it to the internal prison system, does the prisoner have a right to have a jury decide those facts, or can a judge decide them? The appeals court, Sixth Circuit, agreed with Richards, saying a jury should decide the case, but this decision conflicted with a decision made in the Seventh Circuit. So it went to the Supreme Court for final decision. So this is a product of the fact that the U.S. has 13 federal circuit courts, and so the Seventh Circuit Court heard a similar case and made one ruling.
Full video located on our channel.